Well, hello. I'm the Tidewater Belle, 204 Tidewater Drive, if you want to be proper about it, and I've been waiting on you. I sit at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in Highland Lakes, one of Madison, Alabama's most established neighborhoods. Traditional, 2 stories, nearly 4,000 square feet, built to last and finished to feel like home. Come on in. The first thing you'll notice is the hardwood. It runs all the way through me, from the foyer to the back of the house. No carpet to fuss over, no transitions to trip you up, just warm, honest wood underfoot. To your right is the kitchen. She's the heart of the whole house. A gas cooktop the home cook will appreciate, and cabinetry built for a family that actually cooks. Sunday mornings smell like bacon in here. Weeknight dinners come together fast. And the counters? That's where homework gets done, and where the wine gets poured, sometimes at the same time. The primary suite is tucked away on its own because rest matters. Quiet mornings, slow coffee, a door that closes on the rest of the world when you need it to. Upstairs is where life gets a little louder, in the best way. 3 more bedrooms, including 2 that share a Jack and Jill bath, which means cousins, friends, and weekend sleepovers all work themselves out. And the bonus room, that's where the pool table lives. I've heard a lot of laughter in there. But step out back, please. This is where I really shine. A pool made for long summer afternoons. A pool house with its own bath, so wet feet and sandy towels stay where they belong. And the covered grilling area with a full outdoor kitchen. That's where the 4th of July happens. That's where the steaks get seared and the friends linger long after the sun goes down. I was built for a family that gathers. Big holidays, quiet weekends, the everyday in between. I've been a good home. I'm ready to be yours. When you're ready to meet me in person, call Claire Day at 256-309-7438